So for the graph, I would do this. I have my two equations. See, kind of for the graph, I need the equations. B plus D equals 12. That one's for the heads. And then for the feet, 2B plus 4D is 30. And really, what I'm going to do is, it's like the XY system, but I guess this is a BD system. I'll draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. And I'm going to let the horizontal line be the number of boys, the B for boys. And the vertical line is the D axis, D for dogs. So I'm going to call it the B axis and the D axis. And I'm going to graph each equation. I can do a little T-chart. Now, I've kind of learned through the years, you know what, I'm not going to mark it off until I got an idea about how this should be marked off. So, I'm going to do B plus D is 12. Here's my, like my XY chart. B, D. If B is 12, what's D? 0. If D is 12, what's B? 0. Okay, so if B is 1, then how many dogs? 11. If B is 2, 10 dogs. And you can pick a few more, like maybe 5. If B is 5, there are 7 dogs. A lot like the guess and check here. And if B is 6, then there's 6 dogs. And I'm being selfish when I say, oh, I'm going to put 9 in there. Why am I putting 9 boys? Because that's the answer, right? 9 boys and 3 dogs. So I kind of have an idea about maybe how I want to mark the axis, but let's pick some points for the other equation. 2B plus 4D equals 30. So, B and D. Well, if B is 1 boy, what could be? B might be 0 boys. Let's plug in 0 just for fun, sorta. How many dogs are there? 7 point something. Well, I got 7.5. 7.5 dogs. Okay, that doesn't make sense, but it is a point that I want to put on the graph, or maybe I'll put it on the graph. Okay, so how about if there are 0 dogs, then 2B plus 4D equals 30. How many boys would there be? 15. Okay, so I'm going to pick a few more possibilities here. If there is 1 dog, I'm thinking in my head, 2B plus 4 times 1 is 30. 2B plus 4 is 30. 2B equals 26, so B is 13. So there'd be 13 boys. Now that doesn't match the number of heads, but this equation is not for heads. It is for feet. Yeah. So this one's going to match the number of feet. And if there's 3 dogs, well, 2B plus 4 times 3 equals 30. 2b plus 12 is 30. Subtract 12, 2b is 18, so b is 9. Okay, that's probably enough points to get some graphs here. And I'm going to